Hey kids, in this video I'd like to show you how to draw Princess Peach, who is a central character in the Mario videos. She's got some very distinctive features like that pink dress and long yellow hair, but I've got an easy way to draw them. Let's get started. After adding center pencil guidelines to my paper, I'm going to make a plan to draw a large V shape for the bottom of her head, like this. Moving up, she has some pretty unique bangs going on, and we can start those by drawing a V shape, again, that's also centered on her head. That V shape can now kind of turn into an M shape by adding these lines on both sides. Now that we have a closed shape for her face, let's work on her eyes. I like to plan them first with dots, so add them to both sides of her face. And when those look even, then connect them on the right side with a large curve on top and a smaller curve on the bottom. After one eye is done, then just do your best to match it on the other side. The inside eye shapes are pretty simple. It's just a tall oval for the colored part of the eye, and then a smaller oval inside for the pupil. After you have one eye done, then just do your best to draw a matching set of ovals on the other side. To finish your eyes, let's add some eyelashes. I'm going to draw 3 on the right side and then 3 on the left side. The rest of the features on her face are very simple. 2 curved lines for her brows, a short curved line for her nose, and a few small curved lines for her lips, like this. Now I'm going to add those small curved shapes of hair that are on the side of her face, and then her ears are on either side of that, and then a small circle earring is below. Moving down now to work on her dress, it can begin with a small crown shape for the collar. Draw some short shoulder lines, and then we can draw the bodice of the dress, which angles out a little bit and comes back in and has a curved line at the waist. Once that bodice shape is done, we need to add an oval in the center. I think it's a jewel, and then a curved line on the right and one on the left. Her dress has some very short puffy sleeves, so let's draw a kind of circle shape on the right attached to the bodice, and then the same kind of shape on the left. Her dress has some pretty draped fabric at the top right below the waist, so draw that piece on the right side like this, and then the same kind of shape on the other side. And when you're done, add a couple of lines, curved lines inside, so it looks like the fold of the fabric. We can add the rest of the skirt to her dress by drawing the sideline that angles out a little bit and the hem that curves towards the center. When one side is done, then do the same thing on the other side. Now let's add that distinctive hemline of the princess's dress, which angles out a little bit like this. Oh, and to make that skirt look nice and full, like it has a lot of fabric to it, let's add a few fold lines. Moving up, let's add her arms now and start with the one on the right with 2 lines coming down, then 2 lines going up, then add a simple thumb and fingers, and finished with a curved line to show that she's wearing a long glove. The same thing happens on the left side with 2 lines coming down and then bending back up, and then that simple thumb and finger are added, and also that curved glove line there too. Let's go up and finish her hair now, starting with that top shape. that has two little curls on the right side like this. After one side is done, then draw a flipped version of it on the other side, which is another way of saying it needs to be symmetrical. Once those top shapes are done, we can add the long wavy lines for the bottom of her hair that goes down well past her back. Finally, the princess just needs a crown on the top of her head. I'm going to draw a simple one like this and add an oval in the center for a jewel, and then half of an oval on either side. All right, now unless you'd like to add a background, now is the time where we need to trace all of our pencil lines so we can see them really well. Now that my tracing is done, I'm going to take a moment to erase any pencil lines that I see. It'll make my drawing look a lot neater. Now comes the fun part, coloring in our drawing. I'm going to begin with light pink for the dress, then a bright red for some of the details on her dress and one of those jewels, a light yellow for her hair, and you do need to press hard with this color to make it really show up, light blue for her eyes, earrings, and jewels, and peach for her skin. Now, I had trouble finding a gold crayon, so I just used a gold colored pencil for her crown. So that's it. See how easy it was to draw Princess Peach? I hope you got to learn a few things about drawing cartoon characters while you were at it. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more drawing video lessons just like this one, including projects for drawing Mario, Yoshi, and Shadow the Hedgehog. I hope you check them out too.